Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Channel, in today's video we'll be working on a Dodge Journey, which is the same as Fiat Freemont in the rest of the world, guys. Two different names, one same vehicle. And we'll show you where to find the fuse for the heated seats. If you have heated seats, they do not work, we'll show you where to find your fuse, guys. Now, you have a fuse box under the hood, but unfortunately it's not there. It's in a fuse box that is underneath the glove box. Okay, that's where that one will be hidden. So you can see, you do not need to remove the glove box, okay? But we removed it so we can get the camera in here. You have that fuse box and the cap is right here on top of it. All we have to do to remove it, pull that thing back and pull it down. And on the back side, okay, you can see the different numbers as well of the fuses. Now the fuse that is for the heated seats, guys, okay, it's a 20 amp fuse, okay, it's fuse number F105. Okay, this fuse right here. So looking at the fuse box, that will be your layout, like that. So that one will be a 20 amp fuse, okay, so it will be that third row here that are close to each other, the fourth fuse. So if I come this way, okay, give me just a second to get in there, okay, you're going to see, okay, 1, 2, 3, that's the third row, fourth fuse, 20 amp fuse, okay, this is fuse number F105. So you can see if you start from that relay, it will be the third fuse. 1, 2, 3. So that's it, guys. That's where it is located if you have that fuse. Removal, it's pretty simple. If you need to remove it, you grab the puller, okay, right here, the fuse puller, and you can find the fuses in the description of the video below. So you can check it out. All you have to do, go on top of the fuse, okay, like that. Okay, and just pull it out. This is a micro fuse, so those are hard to find. If you need to buy and replace it, check out in the description of the video below, guys. We're going to have them listed there. So I'm going to go ahead, grab the new fuse now. Okay, give me just a second and we can go ahead and install it now. Okay, perfect, just like that. So thank you. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.